In this session, we will discuss three topics: how to create a user in Oracle Cloud Applications, how to create an employee record, and how do we assign a user to the employee record. So let's get started. For the creation of a user, we have to navigate to Security Console. You can see Security Console under the tools. Click on Users. Click on Add User Account. Give the first name and last name. As this is testing purpose, I'm giving test details only. You can give test user 5 at the rate of .com. You can set a password. I'm setting it to Oracle 123. Now click on save and close. So we have just created our user. Let's see how to retrieve this now. So you can click on this give a keyword to search your user. This is a user I have created. Now let me add some roles to this user ID. So you can click on edit. Here, click on add role. So I would like to add three important roles that we will be using for our Oracle implementation. So one is application implementation consultant. Select this one. Click on add role membership. In the background, you can see a role got added. If you want to add one more role, you can click on that and you can add your role. I'm adding IT security manager. Click on add role membership. Now I wanted to add one more abstract role called employee. Yes, I have added this role. Now click on done. Click on save and close. Now we have added roles to the user which we created, right? So after adding roles, we have to submit one job called ESS job, that is LDAP. So that will be used to make sure that what are the roles we assign is synchronized with the LDAP directory. I'm refreshing this one more time. So this program can be submitted through ESS job. So go to tools again. Under tools, you have So there should be a job called scheduled process. You can see the schedule job under tools, schedule process. Here, run the LDAP job. Click on schedule new process and select LDAP. This program is used to synchronize the job roles that is assigned to a user ID. So select this job, retrieve latest LDAP changes. You can see the description synchronizes users roles and role grants with the definitions in LDAP. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on submit. Now the program got submitted. Now let's see how to create an employee record. For that, we have to navigate to setup and maintenance. And the task name is manage users. Click on search. Here, give the task name manage users. Select this task. So here click on plus to create a new employee record. Now give first name and last name. Let's say I'll give user 5 test. I'll give like test.user5@noreply.com. I say test data. You can give a hire date. You can give a phone number, fax, or whatever the details if it is important. In the employment type, you have to select the person type. Okay, so like whether if he's a permanent employee or contractual employee as such. So I would like to take him as a permanent employee. Here, you can select the legal employer. Legal employer in the sense who will be making making salary payments to this particular employee, who is legally authorized to make any kind of transactions to him. So let's say I'll take Australia legal entity. And you have to give a default business unit to this employee. So you can give, as I took Australia, I'll be taking same Australia business unit here. Search for this Australia business unit. If you want to give job, grade, department, location, the mail, and even a manager who is the manager assigned to this particular employee, you can give those details as well. Now coming to this resource information, if this particular resource is also having any additional responsibilities, say like this resource is assigned as a collector or this resource is assigned as a salesperson. So once he's been assigned, you can see those changes reflected here in the source role. So So if this user has any outstanding roles, which role requests which are pending, so those can be seen here. So I'm just clicking on save and close. Now we have completed the creation of a employee record. Next step is we should be assigning this employee record, whatever created, to the user account which we created. Now the user account is the employee record has been created. So let's try to assign this employee record to our user account. So to do that, click on this link user account and select the user account here. So the user account which we have created is test.user5. You can see the user login test.user5 is available. Click on OK. Click on save and close. Now the user account is created and the employee is been assigned also. Let's try to see if this is been, we are able to log into this user. I'm signing out from my current user. Click on confirm. I'll try to log in with the user which I have created. I'm clicking on sign in. Now I'm able to log in into the user which I have created. Thank you for watching this video.